What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Kevin. I'm out here in Lyon, France, and I'm gonna come check out this big park. So check this out. I just arrived in the botanical garden of this place, and basically you have the Madagascar garden, you have the Mexican garden. So cool. So I'm gonna go check out the Mexican garden, then I'll go check out the Madagascar garden. And I'm 9,530 kilometers away from Mexico. I'm 8,280 kilometers away from Madagascar. Nice little walk through the Garden of Mexico. And here I am in Mexico. The unique plants of Madagascar. Pretty cool, eh? Some of the cool trees. Have a look at all this bamboo around me here, and have a look what people have done. They've carved their names into the bamboo as it grows. As you walk around, you can hear like these parrots just chirping away in the background, but I don't know where they are, but you can hear them somewhere over this way. So apparently it's not parrots I'm hearing, it's the actual monkeys are in here somewhere, but I'm gonna have to find them somewhere. But beautiful flowers all right here. It's pretty cool. Beautiful flowers, but the gardens are all around. But have a look at this white. Wow, here's one that's pretty. Apparently there's a zoo in here, so I might get to check out some monkeys and maybe a lion or a giraffe or a zebra. I don't know, but I'm definitely gonna go and check it out. But it's nice and peaceful being right in the city of Lyon, and I got this big amazing park, all this botanical gardens, and apparently a zoo as well. But here's something really strange. I'm out here in France, in the city of Lyon, and I got a bunch of giraffes walking around here. It's just spectacular. Look at that. It's pretty cool to walk in the city and actually see something like this where you have all the giraffes, the monkeys, everything. Can't wait to see it all. It's pretty amazing. But look at that. Oh, that sounds like some lions fighting or something. So I'm gonna have to go check that out. They're gonna get attacked by this thing here because they don't realize how fast that thing's beak will bite you. Hey, buddy. Oh. Well, apparently he just shit himself. Sneak under. There you go. Voila. A few of the monkeys, all in the cages. They're pretty cool to see, but I don't like seeing them in the cages. Just behind you here, the glass, is the leopard, and he's just doing circles round and around and around. Big giant park. It's kind of like Central Park of New York. And right there, it's a red panda up in the tree. A couple pandas that are the red pandas that are right up here in the tree. Pretty neat. Hard to see right now, but he's just chilling right up there in the tree. Just relaxing. Well, it's starting to rain a little bit now, so I'm gonna probably go and chill out and get out of the rain because I'm in shorts and I don't want to get too wet today. Hey guys, I just want to say thanks for watching the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, it's a little bit different. I'm out here in Lyon, in the center of the city, in a park that has everything. Thanks for watching.